What's up YouTube? Tonight we are running through the EPH CP4, a quick demonstration in layman's terms that I give to my customers. So this is a quick run through of how I explain this to my customers. We won't be going through holiday, copy and boost tonight. I don't see the point in them. Well, boost maybe, not so much holiday. So we've got auto being time settings, manual setting, to which if you had it on man, which it is now, as you can see on the screen, target temperature, make it easy, is 20 degrees. So when this thermostat reaches 20, the boiler would shut off. Again, when it drops below 20, it will come on until it reaches 20. That's your target temperature. Off is off. If you had a Combi boiler, this would not affect the hot water, only the central heating. Prog, is setting your times. Now you can have 5 and 2 day settings. So it would be Monday to Friday, set time settings, Saturday, Sunday different, for people who like a lie-in on Saturday, Sunday, etc. But for this review, we're just having the 7 days, every time the same. So program 1 is your on time, as we just timed out. Program 1 is your on time. So they've got this set to 6:30. Once you've pressed program, you're only going to be using the up, the down, and the OK. So we've set that, 6:30 in the morning, it's coming on. Let's say we want 20 degrees. You just press OK. It jumps to number 2, that is your off setting. 8 o'clock they've got it set to. Happy days, OK. 10 degrees. Now, if it dropped below 10, the boiler would come on. But if your house is dropping below 10 degrees inside, I'm pretty much sure you want it to come on. Then you have 3 and 4 time settings, which is generally dinner time in the day. If you're elderly or work from home, you might want it on at dinner time, but most people don't. So 12 o'clock, we're pressing OK, still set at 10 degrees, so it wouldn't come on anyway unless it dropped below. And then off at 2. Then your evening times. Number 5, these have got it set to 5:30. Most people would have it on 4. So we're just pressing the minus function down to 4 o'clock. Press OK. You want it set to 20 degrees. You can have it set to whatever you want. Ranges from 18 to 21. For most people, we'll leave this set at 20 and we'll have it going off, let's say, at 9 o'clock at night. OK. And then once you've got past that, it will revert back to number 1 again. Then you're done. You'd press automatic. And there's your on to time settings. You can see the little flame because we're below its target temperature. To set the time function, that's your year 2022, OK. Jumps over to the month, November, OK, and the date is the 19th. Again, you're going to be pressing plus or minus to alter these. Now you're on to time. Let's say the clocks went back, again minus 6:10. Then you press OK, OK. 24-hour is for the 7-day programming, and 5 and 2. Then you revert back to your year, so you're all set up. That's all I need to show you for now. Oh, if you want to change the batteries, you're pulling this down and it's 2 AA's. If you're quite quick with changing your batteries, as in within a few minutes, it does remember the time settings. Hope that's helped. If it has, please click like, share and subscribe if you want. Thank you very much.